Hey guys, it's me Alexis, and I just updated my American Girl doll house. It's not fully complete, like over there, and the walls are still missing. I know, right? We went to IKEA instead of like Home Depot or like Lowe's to get like wood or anything. Well, I'm just gonna give you a tour. So yeah, this used to be like the mudroom part, and these were the stairs, but I kind of just pushed them over, so it might be there again. So then, look at it. I got this cute little lamp, and I put it right in the middle of the thing, and then look at it, totally brightens up the room, and it looks so cute. I added these little pencil bins, and then they're made for like trash cans. So I put one under there to raise the table so it's more like functional and suitable for them. And I'm not sure why I got this. Oh yeah, I got this at IKEA. And I'm not sure why I got this. I also got this at IKEA. I was thinking of making like a drunk driving video or something, and then that would be like a wine bottle. Or it's like a vase and you could put some flowers in it and it would really brighten up a room. But I didn't see it really went with anything when I got home, so it's fine right now. I don't know if you can't see the design. Oh, there we go. Yes, that's the design. It is so cute. I got these little flowers that do smell very nice, so it really is awesome. So this is my kitchen set that I got at Target, and the company's from Our Generation. Everything opens. I got some little measuring spoons. We got all those things up there. Nothing really changed in here. Got some pots and pans, trays, cleaning supplies, a pan. And in here we keep these little cups. They're plastic. They're not actually from shot glasses. Usually I have those, but I actually keep those downstairs. That way when we like eat breakfast or something, they'll be down there. Got those. Things in the fridge have not changed. Still single symbol. And there's nothing really changed. I don't want to make this that long, like my other ones. And then over here, I have this little vase that was supposed to go in the corner, which is pink, which went with the pink, like the rest of the pink. And I put in some really cute fake flowers, and I thought it really was suitable, and it was awesome. So this is the room. I really love the lamp. And here's the half wall. Here's a half wall, go by it. So this is the living room. It is so cute. This is one of my favorite rooms of the whole entire house. It is. Now with the light on, it is even cuter. It's so homey, and it's not too bright. It is even better in person. It is so cute. These little picture frames. This is a bunch of American Girl dolls. This one's of Felicity. That one's of Sarah. And we have a little TV and that I made. And then this I printed up on Google Images, which is very cute. This lamp I got at IKEA, and it is super cute. I love it. I don't regret anything that I bought at IKEA today. Here's a sit and relax couch. This little clock, it is such a perfect size for them. It's amazing, and it actually does work. And this little table I made from a little basket, and I just put a pillowcase over it, so it goes to the car scheme because it's actually really bright blue. And then this little cell phone, I thought the black and the black went pretty well with a pot of flowers. And I love this. I actually make a sound. Hold on. I don't know if you guys heard it, and so yeah, I love how it's a alarm clock. I was thinking of getting another one and putting it in the room, but they don't have a side table, so I just decided not to. too. So, I love this. I love the back because this part is more like modern, and this, I thought it would really tie this whole room together, and so it's just clock. And then, but the lampshade is more sophisticated and classic, which goes with the wallpaper very nicely. So, I like that. Moving on up, we got upstairs. This is when we're missing the walls. So, that's okay though. This is their bunk bed. Posters of like Simpsons, quotes, stuff. And then this is little checkers board. So this is an Orbeez lamp. Nothing really. Yeah. Everything's just the same. But this, I also got rid of the little desk, and Alex boxes are down here now, and her glass case is up there. And I added this cute little lamp, which is, I love the colors, it goes with it really well. And then this is it when it's turned on. This wall will go out farther, so, and there'll be walls on the side, so it will brighten up the whole entire room. Very nice. So, and when this wall goes out, I already put these up. They're like these little things that I think I won at a place. Not sure where I got them, but it says "Smile, I love you." They're like little things. And it says it's a dog thing. So I thought those were very cute, and I put them up. Moving on, this is the laundry room / bathroom. So the washer and dryer, very nice. Everything is just the same. Got some cute little things in there. Okay. An ironing board. We got, oh yeah, we got a little, so cute. It is a little mirror that we got at IKEA because I was missing one. So I put that down. Everything's kind of the same. And all these little hooks. I got these mini, what's it called again? I forget. I totally forget. I know what they are though. But these are things that are supposed to like, you know, spread bubbles and like, so like that for like bathing. So I got 2 on those little hooks. I have another green one, but it doesn't really match, so I just stuck it under here. Here's the bathtub. It's not from American Girl, but it's very nice. And I put stuffing in here to make it look like water bubbles, or like they're having a bubble bath. So, yep. And then, so yeah, there's no light in there since there's like a big light right there. But I do have more lights. Look at this mess. I know, right? So I have more lights that these things are like hang over or whatnot. Put it in there. So then this is the room that I sort of added. It is not very good yet, but I'm just showing you guys what it's sort of like or at right now. I put these 2 little rugs on there that are sort of blue, and when you're like in real life, like when you're seeing them in person, they look more alike. I don't know on camera. Here's another little mirror thing. There we go. And they'll use it as like a TV or something decorative. I don't know, it's kind of put this little decorative box. I'm not sure where I got it. And it stores tacks, a couple of tacks and cushion things. What do you ever call them? And these are the backpacks for these and Sarah's. And moving on over under little thingy, we have the desk, a little magazine on it. I'm probably gonna put that back in there quicker. There it goes. There's a little desk that I made. This is a stool, but I use lots of stools as tables because it fits perfectly, and then a little chair with it. Over here, I scooched that over, and then I added these. This is shirts, bottoms, or that's top, bottom, shoes, accessories, dresses, coats, and like, and then in here are bathing suits and underwear and stuff like that. so that's very cute. On top is where we store most of our, my silverware, which is very, very cute. I have these little plastic, fancy cups. Whoops. I think that's fun. And the rest are glass and like homemade. This cute, and I have this little Peter Pan thing. Little teacup. We got this little thing, like put the sugar in it. And we have a bunch of little plates. I got this set at IKEA. And then these are bowls. I always had bowls, like those kinds of things to use with the different things. So that is my miracle ball.